A room with a view of the whole city. Fashion luxury, that's what he's got pretty.
Hello and welcome. Here is Hon, the best hotel tester. I have discovered a new hotel for you. And now I am presenting you a tour of the room. It offers good entertainment.
I just wanna go further. You don't let me hold me, bade you. Oh, bade you, yeah. Give me the way you stole me. Let me lick 'cause I'm falling. Need it, I need it. I'm so tired of this, I'm tired of the fights, I'm tired of the pressure. I don't wanna go wherever you go, 'cause love is so wasted. And you got me fist, and I don't want to feel like an outbreak, but I'm so tired of this, I'm tired of the fights, I'm tired of the pressure. I wanna run, run, run far away, away, yeah. I wanna love, but I can't, 'cause I don't really need you, I don't really need you, yeah. I wanna run, run, run far away, 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 I just wanna go further. You don't let me hold me, bade you. Oh, bade you, yeah. Give me the way you stole me. Let me lick 'cause I'm falling. Need it, I need it. I'm so tired of this, I'm tired of the fights, I'm tired of the pressure. I don't wanna go wherever you go, 'cause love is so wasted. And you got me fist, and I don't want to feel like an outbreak, but I'm so tired of this, I'm tired of the fights, I'm tired of the pressure. I wanna run, run, run far away, away, yeah. I wanna love, but I can't, 'cause I don't really need you, I don't really need you, yeah. I wanna run, run, run far away, 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 'cause I don't really need you, I don't really need you, 'cause I don't really need you, I don't really need you, away, away.
And that's all. The room tour of a new interesting hotel. I hope you enjoyed it. Then kindly leave me a like. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And here is a special tip just for you. Make sure to activate the bell to receive updates on new videos, such as a hotel review, a room tour, or a new adventure. We appreciate your support and can't wait to have you back at HON, the top hotel tester. Thank you for watching and see you next time.